background music, copyright.
This is Wix Studio, built to meet any brief. When your project calls for bold creativity...
Again, anybody new in here? Sorry for the background music, but freaking YouTube keeps canceling, copywriting my videos, so... Yeah. Look at this dump on Market Open, dude.
Still can see us going higher. Sure. Slipped out all those lows.
Alright, we just stripped out those 15-minute lows too just now. Let's see if we can form an S&T off these, continue higher. I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes too. If we respect this 4-hour, I'm going to continue with my bias. But we're about to form a 5-minute S&T off these 15-minute lows. So we'll see. If we can form a 5-minute S&T break structure on the 5-minute time frame. We'll see. Alright, this music, I can't leave you guys with this music. I feel like I'm in a freaking Lego movie or some shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna cut my headphones off, Zach. Alright, let's lock in, peoples. Let me know if that music's too loud or anything. $30 seconds and we form an SMT if NASDAQ wants to hold this bullish candle. It's looking like it. SMT formed. Yes, broke structure on the 5-minute too. NASDAQ didn't. Let's see if we want to just come up to these equal highs right away, or
The things you design become real. Framer feels like a design tool, but it ships fast, modern websites. You can start from scratch, import from Figma, or choose from thousands of free and premium templates. Framer's easy to learn. There's frames, text, and stacks. Combine them however you want, add whatever you want, and make everything responsive. Then the only thing left to do is hit publish. That's Framer.
Life's an adventure, and the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is built for all of it. Whether it's tackling rugged trails with standard all-wheel
Yeah, I'd
drive
like to see up movement. I want to see NASDAQ brake structures to the upside too.
Out on a weekend getaway with its upscale interior loaded with advanced tech and safety features, the innovative and versatile Honda Ridgeline seamlessly blends capability and comfort. Test drive your new Honda Ridgeline today.
Dude, this coffee, man, it makes me want to freaking. I'm gonna invent a toilet for traders. It's built into your seat. Trader shitter, shitter trader. Yep, you heard it here first. The poll's up if anybody wants to answer for the giveaway. I'm staying patient right now. Oh yes, you didn't want to retrace a little bit lower for me, huh? Bastard. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap we're coming into on ES. I want to see if we inverse that baby. People we got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, counting me. Yeah, it is. I think it wants these equal highs. I wanted it to come down a little bit lower into this fair value gap in equilibrium if I were to enter. Would a spice a swagger? Alright, interesting. Interesting. Wow.
Get ready to rise with more shine.
Yeah, both indexes are doing total opposite right now, so I'm sitting on my hands.
Precision fit coils arranged
I
right
don't
where
like
you
when
need
that
them
happens.
for targeted support, night after night. Sealy at Ashley. Wake up to what's next.
Alright, this 15-minute candle closes in 30 seconds. Interested to see if we inverse this 15-minute fair value gap on ES. Nope. Nasdaq is just tanking. Wow. Wow. Cash hitting bangers already. Yup. We just really gonna leave equal highs up there like that? You mean took the highs, S&T ski up there? Yeah, we had S&T at the lows too, Cash. Whoa! How you doing? Ah, my toe. Fuck. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Alright, let's see what the macro wants to do. Shit, I haven't heard this song forever. Ba 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 ba. I really want to kind of look for shorts, but I don't like that we have those equal highs up there. We can inverse this 5 minute maybe.
Life is more legal than you think, and LegalZoom is here to help. Whether it's registering a business, starting a will or trust, or staying on top of your business licenses. When you need a legal hand, turn to LegalZoom.
Super fly, super good, shoulda, coulda, knew I would. Super fly, super fresh, ask your mama, she's impressed. Super fly, super calm, super mean, super nice, super clean. Yeah, you know it.
No, don't do it without me! Stop it! Oh, you mofo. Alright, I'm locking in here, ladies. My God. Come on, give me it, girl. This is either going to be really nice or we're going to be completely wrong, so... Stop. Really? I want it on ES personally, target those equal highs. But now ES is moving like dog duty hole. There we go. not in yet. All right. See what freaking happens. I want movement here, dog. I don't want NASDAQ to come out and try and take out these lows, these 1 hour lows. I want to continue here, but we'll see. 89. 5, 6, 4, 9, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. I want to see you start acting up.
The season's here. Are you ready? Gear up now during Bass Pro
Right,
Shop.
so I'm risking 125 to make.
Plus, club members enjoy exclusive 0% special financing happening now through August 27th on purchases of $500 or more.
Let's see. 250. Let's see what this macro, 10 a.m., let's see. I'd like to continue up here. Yep, Jackson Long. Yeah, I cut out the chat, guys. When I lock in, I cut out the chat. I went in on ES just to target these equal highs, and it was a leading index, but I'm going to do TP1, TP2, and then TP3. See what she wants to do. I want movement up. Bring out the taser. Go up, bitch. Come on, you look so good. You look so good. Just give me clean price action today. That's all a man can ask for. Just clean price action. Just clean, nice candles, no drawdown. Be a good day. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm gonna keep an eye on NASDAQ over here. I wanna see us break structure to the upside. That'll give me more confidence. If we could break structure to the upside after an inverse fair value gap, that'll give me more confidence. Two minutes to find that out. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Looking good so far. Let's see. Where does that candle come from? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is it bad at me if I want to add one more here? Is that bad of me? Nah. Be risking 150. We didn't break structure to the upside on NASDAQ. Alright, I'm putting this cup in here and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna have TP1 smashed. Peas. Dude, I watched a movie called The Gambler the other day with, not the other day, yesterday, last night, Mark Wahlberg. First time watching it. It was actually pretty good. Shit got me nervous, and he's going all in every freaking hand. Come on, NASDAQ, do your job. Break structure on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go, NQ. Be a good girl for me. Where's that 15-minute fair value gap? went in 5 micro
We
minis
have
on
to have
ES, so
everything
TP1, TP2, maybe even TP3.
Exactly.
It's a
You'll
little
know
bit
how
higher
real
up.
it is because of how it tastes.
At
Build a
90.
website you love
93.
with Wix.
We'll do it 92.
For your words, create your brand,
Right
your
there.
opportunity.
TP1, TP2,
Your
TP3,
breakthrough.
TP4. Those 2 TP4.
Feeling a vibe? Run with it. From
91,
can't look
25.
away to gotta have it. Make every detail yours.
There.
Bring out what's hot. Remove what's
So
not.
75% off right here. Equal highs,
Press
take 2. Asian session highs, take 1. Take another, take another.
Set a tone that speaks in your voice to your
How much is over?
Keep moving. Your site grows with you
We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people today.
and take you where you
What
want.
happened? Let's go, Poppy. And longs to Voodoo. Zach, you're probably looking pretty good right now on NASDAQ. Timon. Yeah, no, I'm in on ES Jam. I just marked out NASDAQ too. I just wanted to do ES because we have equal highs on the hourly. I like that draw. NASDAQ, they're still relative equal highs. I just marked it out. Okay. Cash, I'm not on both. If I had the money, I would be. Fuck it. I want to see NASDAQ at least come into this 15-minute fair value gap. But up, just price action. Duty hole, just do it already. We risking like $100 on ES. Yeah, I'm risking $125 per account, so that's 125 times 8. $100, dude. That's what, $20 an hour, normal job. It's 5 hours of work. To make it in 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I take it. There could be a little retracement here off this 5 minute. This is an emergency. My TP is a little bit below the. It's at 88. Just so everybody knows, it's right here. And then 88.75. Come on, take me out! Take me out! So I can set that break it even. I'll be pitched. You know, motherfucker. Go up. That's probably loud for you guys in the mic. I'm sorry if that is. I'll stop that. It just hurt my ears and my headphones. Wing Wong, did you get in on a trade? Where'd you get in on? ES or NASDAQ? Dope. Wing Wong ballin'. Big ballin'. Alright, first TP hit for me. I'm going to break even.
Thousands failed. Perhaps with this clue, you could be the one to
I'm going to break even.
Challenge. I was never the dog, but I
We secured $70 per account right now.
at the GeoGuessr World Finals, I could be sitting right next to you,
Fight? You wanna fight?
watching you as you slurp your drink.
If you like listening to freestyles and shit, all out, nice, Zach. How much you make on that?
The GX Madon continues.
Oh yeah,
GeoGuessr World Finals.
$334 per account. Holy shiznit.
But can you see me?
I want TP2 to hit for me.
GeoGuessr.com/OperaGX.
I got about 25% out, I think. Well, no, not maybe more. Oh, TP2 hit. There we go. 75% out of my position size. We are back to break even. Yeah. I'm going to put it a little bit above break even, just in case we want to reverse here at this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah. I'm gonna take one more here, and we're gonna leave this one runner. So we're about 80% out of our position. So
Turkey has once again led the way in Europe with the simultaneous landing
I'm gonna
of
fix my
3
position
Turkish
so I
Airlines
can
aircraft at Iga Istanbul
break
Airport.
even.
One of the
How
most
much did we
complex
secure already?
operations
All right, we secured $141 per account.
carried out.
So we got yesterday's loss back. So 141 times 8. All right, we're up $1,128 regardless.
We draw our strength
Regardless, we hit a
connecting the world.
1 to 1.72 so far. But this is a spot where we can reverse. So we are going to see what we want to do. I want to see if NASDAQ comes up to these hourly highs. I believe ES is going to come up to these. But we'll see. We're letting this baby ride with one micro left. There you go, Wing Wong. Yeah, dude, there's NASDAQ, NES, there was 2 solid trades. Like, just, it was butter. So, whichever one you entered on, good job. Alright, TP1, TP2, and TP3 hit. We already locked in $141 per account. We still got one runner. We're going to see if she'll run to there. But there was a trade on NASDAQ, but we took it on ES. So, yeah. See what happens. Whoa! Holy shit! Yeah! Yeah! Keep feeding me, baby. Keep feeding me. Alright, I'm out. We hit Dubskis. Yep, 1 to 2.28. Final take profit. I will take that for the day. $190 per account on ES. 190 times 8. 15 hundo. 15 hundo. Everybody post your wins and losses in the chat. Whoever took that. No, we don't got a lot of people in here. Can I get W's in the chat or no? Is that illegal to ask for? There we go. We got some W's. We got some W's. Zach took a banger. Wing Wong took a banger. Yas took a banger. Zeta took a banger. Full TP schmacker. NASDAQ had a smacker trade. Zach took NASDAQ. And yeah, there's our positions, right? See that? See our entries, our exits. Yup. On our 8 PA accounts, guys. No bullshit. Look at that. Filthy, baby. Filthy. I'm not trying to get FOMO. I should have took it on NASDAQ, but again, I went with my decision. It's too late. We still had a banger trade. FOMO hitting me. Nah, you did good, Zach. I think you took your position at a good size, Zach. You took it out of 1 to 2, right? You made $340 per account. NASDAQ would have been nice, but I didn't take it. I took it on ES because those equal highs. I wanted those equal highs. But what would I have risked on 28 points, 3 micro E-minis, and knowing my ass, I'm going to be completely honest with you people, I probably would have taken profits right here at this 15-minute fair value gap. So we would have risked around, we probably would have made like same as Zach, 300 or something. He went in 4 though. You went in 4, right, Zach? You going a little bit heavier than me. Zach's got balls. I think that was a good trade though, guys. We stayed patient. A lot of people probably got confused. The market looking like it wanted to go short, but we stuck with our bias. I mean, again, I'm not saying we stuck to it to a T, but it presented itself. We executed. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Well, that's how we manage risk too. We're back up on these accounts with a loss this week. Wow. Risk management, fellas. Risk management. Got our loss back plus profit. That's how we do things. we do things. NASDAQ, 59 points. ES, we hit. What did I get out at? It's 91. Yep, 10 points. Cool. Alright, guys. That's it for today. I think we did pretty freaking good as a group. Again, everybody who shows up here every morning, it just shows you want to get better. I know a couple people are busy and stuff. That's just life, but everybody who keeps showing up, just gonna keep getting better and better every freaking day. So, yeah. But all right, everybody, post your wins and losses in the chat for me, please. I'm gonna post mine. Again, doesn't matter if it was a paper trade or anything. You still hit a good trade. You should be focusing on hitting good trades. Should be your overall goal right now. Not worrying about the money. But yeah. Your macros on Nash trade. I got one last contract hanging in on ES. I'll throw my ES trade in once finished. Yeah, no, Wing Wang, I would just trail below the lows. Or the 5-minute fair value gap that's about to form. I'd trail below that 5-minute fair value gap, but I still think we can continue higher. We have all this liquidity above. So, yeah. Yep. I'll throw in here. I only went 3 micros on three micros on NASDAQ, still pretty good for a 60-point trade. What is that? What's the math of 3 micro E-mini on NAS? 60 points. Yeah, 360. If you take profit. What do you got locked in? I've already been at, yeah. Yep, exactly. Damn, I could have made a lot more money. But it's all good. We still had a solid trade. I was literally saying though too, when we came back down to break even, I was like, should we add here? I was like, should we add on ES a little bit? But no, we stuck with the overall game plan, guys. We can't get FOMO. We hit a good trade. It's all good. We did good. I think we did a good job today. We're sticking to the overall game plan, Wing Wong, with our risk management size. On ES, it's a little bit different. So, we risk less on those trades. So, like yesterday, we lost the trade. Still went in 4 micros, but we ended up losing 120 per account. Now we ended up gaining $191 per account. So, 186 with the fees and everything. So, bread and butter, baby. Bread and fucking butter. Gotta bring out that taser more. Holy crap, dude. Do we have full drawdown again? Oh, every account has full drawdown. 2,500. Well, right on the button. Looking good, fellas. Slow and steady wins the race. Not trying to win big profits every day. Just gonna put that out there. Everybody rushes. Go watch my most recent video. Box, you take partials? If you took partials, dude, you're chilling. Should be no stress. Look at NASDAQ, though. God damn. God. Those are one of those trades you make bread. Takes forever. I gotta find myself off of 14. I don't know where it's at. Yeah, you're already chilling. You already cashed 150, dude. Yeah, Box, we're in the second 15-minute fair value gap. Again, if you wanted to take one more there, you could too, because this is a fucking good trade. But it could be a spot we could reverse, but I think we're coming up for these highs. The way price is moving right now, at least these highs. So, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to end that there. YouTube, peace out.